Have you noticed something different in Addis Ababa lately? Walk through the city's hotels, restaurants, parks, and popular tourist spots, and you may hear it more often than before. Arabic. Visitors from Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and other parts of the Gulf are increasingly choosing Addis Ababa as a place to visit. So, what is bringing so many Arab tourists to Ethiopia's capital? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. It starts with the weather. Imagine living in a city where summer temperatures can rise above 45 degrees Celsius. The heat is intense, stepping outside during the day can be difficult, and escaping the summer sun becomes a priority. Now, imagine getting on a plane, flying for just a few hours, and arriving in a city where the air is cool, the hills are green, and the weather feels completely different. That is Addis Ababa. Sitting more than 2,300 meters above sea level, Ethiopia's capital offers something that many Gulf cities simply cannot provide during the summer: natural cool weather. Instead of desert heat, visitors can enjoy fresh air, clouds, rain, green landscapes, and misty mountain views. For many travelers from the Middle East, Addis Ababa is becoming a nearby escape from the heat. And unlike traveling all the way to Europe or Southeast Asia, Ethiopia is surprisingly close. Just a few hours away. One of Addis Ababa's biggest advantages is its location. From cities like Dubai, Riyadh, Jeddah, and Doha, the Ethiopian capital is only a short direct flight away. In just a few hours, travelers can leave behind the dry heat of the Arabian Peninsula and arrive in the cool Ethiopian highlands. And thanks to strong air connections, getting here is becoming easier than ever. But the weather and location are only part of the story. Because the Addis Ababa that many people are discovering today is not the same Addis Ababa they remember from years ago. Addis Ababa is changing for decades. Addis Ababa was mainly known as the diplomatic capital of Africa, a city of embassies, international organizations, business meetings, and major political conferences. Many visitors came to Addis Ababa for work, but they did not necessarily come here for vacation. Today, that is beginning to change. Over the past few years, the city has gone through a remarkable transformation. New parks have opened, public spaces have been redesigned, walking areas, green spaces, entertainment zones, and modern developments are changing the look and feel of the capital. Places like Unity Park, Friendship Square, and Entoto have introduced a different side of Addis Ababa, a side that is greener, more relaxing, more modern, and increasingly attractive to families and international visitors. For someone visiting from the Gulf, the experience can be quite surprising. You can spend the morning in a modern hotel, enjoy Ethiopian coffee in the afternoon, take a drive into the green hills of Entoto, and by evening, return to a city that is rapidly developing into a modern African destination. That combination is becoming one of Addis Ababa's greatest strengths, a city that feels familiar, but different. There is also a deeper connection between Ethiopia and the Arab world. The relationship goes back centuries through trade, culture, and religion. Ethiopia also holds a special place in Islamic history because of the first Hijra, when early Muslims found refuge in the ancient kingdom of Aksum. And for modern visitors, there is a practical side to that connection as well. Ethiopia has a large Muslim population. Halal food is widely available. Mosques can be found throughout the city, and visitors from the Middle East can find cultural familiarity while still experiencing something completely new. For a long time, Addis Ababa was simply a gateway. People landed at Bole International Airport, changed planes, and continued to another destination. But today, more travelers are choosing to stop, to stay, to explore, and to experience the city itself. For Gulf travelers especially, Addis Ababa offers a combination that is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. Cool weather, green landscapes, a short flight from home, growing luxury and hospitality options, and a city that is changing before their eyes. So, why are there so many Arab tourists in Addis Ababa these days? There is no single answer. It is the climate. It is the location. It is the direct connection to the Middle East. It is the transformation of the city. And it is the growing discovery of a side of Ethiopia that many people never knew existed. Because today, Addis Ababa is no longer just a place where travelers arrive for business, diplomacy, or transit. It is becoming a destination in its own right. A place where you can leave behind the extreme summer heat, and just a few hours later, find yourself surrounded by cool air, green hills, modern spaces, and a sea